Bullish Ariva cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept ARV could reach $0 2025. Bearish Ariva market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Ariva presentation. The computerization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly throughout the years as the industrialization of, in a real sense, each part of human existence became typical, like food administration, transportation, trade, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general improvement of significant pieces of the market and the ceaseless joining of the conventional monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into a fundamental element in empowering the development of the area in man-made reason, correspondences, and so forth. One of these tokens is the Ariva coin. Ariva is viewed as a cordiality token for travelers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area like lodgings or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this video, we assess Ariva cost expectations from 2022 to 2030 with the guide of verifiable information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, obstruction level, MIST support levels, unbiased extreme oscillator, and different variables. What will be ARV least cost esteem, the typical exchanging cost, and most extreme cost esteem in the following 2 or 3 months, and does it make a productive speculation? For what reason would it be a good idea for you to purchase Ariva in spite of the cost changes in the digital currency showcase? When contrasted with the general crypto market feeling, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing very much contrasted with the other computerized monetary standards. So what are the Ariva cost expectations? What is Ariva? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain organization by Ariva Co. that objectives the travel industry and accommodation area while making progress toward the worldwide reception of the computerized government capital. ARV has become one famous token from the main quarter of 2022 regardless of the vacillations in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations and global the travel industry specialist co-ops repeated on clients' past encounters and input. An explorer can make appointments with the digital currency while getting compensated for dropping criticism and sharing wise substance. Ariva is helping the concentrated reconciliation of digital forms of money into the day-to-day existence of a commonplace person while offering the buyers a wonderful encounter and quick installment network with their digital money. As per the ARV network engineer, the traveler business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash and the misfortunes caused in view of trade rates. Ariva will dispense with these difficulties and make voyaging simple and helpful. The organization's fundamental point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the undeniable level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an expensive issue in the worldwide cordiality economy, which likewise incorporates the consistent trade of nearby monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva major examination. Starting from the formation of the social money Ariva coin, the virtual entertainment presence has been amazing, a result of its inventive help and ideas with the dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including L-Bank, SushiSwap, DSDAC, Whitebit, 1inch Organization, XT.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodo BSC, and Probit worldwide. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and reconciliation of blockchain innovation into the business and have since collaborated with huge organizations in the area. Ariva has joined forces with the Worldwide the Travel Industry Gathering and World the Travel Industry Discussion Organization, two foundations that were made to globally empower the travel industry, social exercises. The numerous occasions that have been facilitated in the principal quarter of 2022 were worried about the revolutionization of the travel industry and travel area that executed the blockchain, expanding the extensive variety of installment decisions for explorers. Ariva current cost. Ariva is at present worth $0. ARV has moved 2.47% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,772,660. Ariva is at present positioned 771 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $9,539,843 USD. Ariva Value Forecast 2022. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ARV cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Ariva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a RV will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ARV's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. ARV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Ariva Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Ariva effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the ARV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARV will be green in 2025. The ARV is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ARV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, ARV has a most extreme value worth of $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that RV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ARV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2028. While ARV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Ariva Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Ariva will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ARV cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. Numerous dealers accept that no altcoin is guaranteed to get along nicely toward the finish of the bear